What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to attach an image inside of a reminder on your app on the iPhone. Now this can be used for a variety of reasons, and it's quite a useful feature to have inside of the Reminders app in general, regardless of what you'd like to use it for. So obviously the first thing you're going to do is go ahead into the app and just create the reminder like you normally would. I'm just going to go ahead and put a default title there just to set it and make sure that it has a reminder. And what you will do is hit details, third from the bottom there, and then you get hit into this massive option screen here. And once you are here though, you are just going to go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom. And the one that's second from the bottom there is add image. It has the blue text on there highlighted. Go ahead and click on that and you will be able to attach your image. You'll have the option to choose a photo from your photo library, or you could take a photo directly on the spot if you'd like to do that as well. I'm just going to choose a random photo for the sake of this tutorial. And there it is. You can see the image that is added in there, and then you can continue to add as many images as you'd like in there, and then set the reminder, add whatever you'd like in there, and then create the reminder. And you could see that once you are in, that my reminder there has the image on there right there for display. And that is pretty much all there is to it. If you did have any questions or were confused at all on how to do this, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.